In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Godaddy domain to Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Godaddy domain connected to your Shopify store using Shopify's built-in automatic connection, which is the fastest and most reliable way to get your site live. Start by opening your browser and searching for Shopify. Click the official Shopify result to go to the website, then log into your Shopify admin. If you manage more than one store, make sure you're in the correct admin before moving on. Having your Godaddy login details ready will save you time a little later, and it also helps to disable any strict pop-up blockers temporarily so the Godaddy approval window can open. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Domains in the left sidebar. This is where Shopify manages all web addresses connected to your store, and where you'll tell Shopify which domain you want to use. On the Domains page, choose Connect Existing Domain. You'll see a field where you can type in the domain you already own, such as example.com. Enter your domain carefully, without extra spaces or typos, then click Next. Shopify will quickly check the format and prepare the connection flow. When prompted, click Connect automatically. This option allows Shopify and Godaddy to talk to each other and update your DNS records for you. A new window will open asking you to sign in to your Godaddy account. If you're already signed in, it may skip straight to the approval screen. Make sure you're logging into the Godaddy account that owns the domain you just entered, then follow the on-screen instructions to approve the connection. You'll typically confirm that you allow Shopify to manage the DNS settings for that domain. After you approve, return to Shopify and let it verify the connection. This can take a moment. You should see your domain appear under your connected domains with a status indicator. SSL certificates will begin provisioning automatically. If you see SSL pending, that's normal and usually resolves within a short time. In some cases, DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, but most connections complete much faster. If the Godaddy window didn't open, check your pop-up settings and try again. Once the status shows connected, your domain is linked to your Shopify store and ready for use. You can now continue building your storefront, confident your visitors will reach the right place.